Hi there, Jill Carty from Jill Carty Designs. I wanted to give you a few quick updates about what's been happening. The furniture placement workshop was a great success. We had a very small group, so it was an intimate evening in my own living room, which turned out to be a fabulous night. We really got to know each other and shared some of the frustrations and went through the teaching. And the girls went home equipped and excited and, started pulling their own furniture apart. I've got some lovely feedback from some of them. And one of the girls sent me some photos of her space. We helped her in particular with her layout and some of the challenges that she had. So she did a great job applying what she learned, and she's well on her way. They're doing some renos in their home right now, and the living room is on her list. So I'm very excited to see her so happy and to have, she was a great student. They all were great students. So that it just makes me feel good to know that I did my job well and that the workshop content was successful. So yeah, I just wanted to give you that update, and sorry if you missed it. And I've had a couple of girls ask if I'll be doing that again, so I certainly will. I just love to do that and bring that to you. The Christmas workshop is filling up quickly. That one's going to be Wednesday, November the 6th, and will be held at the Norwood Community Center. So we're going to talk about Christmas decorating. We're going to do some Christmas crafts, and I've got some ideas for that. So you can sign up for that one on the website, and you can also give me a call directly if you want, and I'll help you out with that. And the next one that we're going to do is the shopping trip. So it's kind of like you've got your own designer for the day to go shopping with. So I'm excited for this. We, by request, are going to IKEA. Some of the ladies I've talked to have never really been to the IKEA showroom, so that'll be a first for them. And it's always a fun place. It really is one of my favorite places to go to. The little joke in our house is, oh dear, I'm out of the pretty napkins, so I really do have to stop and go to IKEA. So I will be buying some more napkins for sure, but we're just going to walk the showroom together. You'll see how things can get put together in a space, and you just got me right there to ask questions and help you make your choices and just learn more about how to decorate our homes together. We'll have lunch right at IKEA. As some of you don't know, they do have a wonderful dining room. They are very famous for their yummy Swedish meatballs, and they do have a lovely lunch selection and very reasonably priced, so we can sit down after we've walked the showroom and take a bit of a rest and have something to eat, and then on we go. So we have the bus for the day. We've got a few options of some big box stores we can visit together. Solutions is definitely one of them. They have offered a special discount just to Jill Carty Designs for the day of 15% off, and that's an organizing store. And a store that I really want to take you to is called The Creative Bag, and that's an outlet store in Pickering. So this one has all kinds of gift bags, tissue paper, and wrap, a selection of bakery things like cupcake liners and cake toppers, and just all those seasonal kind of wrapping things for your baked goods. They have wine bags, and so like, yeah, a good selection of food stuff, like food related packaging, especially event celebration stuff. There's everything that you can imagine. There's balloons of every kind. Let me think. There's ribbons. Yeah, I guess that's tissue paper. I think I probably mentioned that. Yeah. So anyway, it's a great spot, and I think both of these stores, IKEA and this outlet store, would definitely be timely for Christmas coming up. I'm sure that I'm going to be grabbing some things to help with some gifts and some wrapping options. So I'm really excited to go there and hang out and take our time and kind of see what we can find together. So to make this happen, ladies, the smallest bus that I can get is a 22-seater, and to go into Toronto to IKEA with the bus company takes us beyond a boundary. The first time we planned this, we weren't going that far. So going into Toronto kind of bumps the price up. And I've talked to the bus company this morning, so we we really need to fill the bus to make this work. So if you've been thinking about it and haven't registered yet, please let me know as soon as you can so that we can start making a solid plan. We can bring home all kinds of shopping stuff. There's plenty of room for storage on the bus. You'll get a swag bag, and we can talk and share and just really have a fun day together. And I could easily stay home. I have lots of things that need my attention right now, but I think it's just great sometimes to stop what we're doing, take a day just for something fun, and I would love to share that experience with you. So I hope that that you'll be able to join in and shop with me and learn from me and see what kind of trouble we can get into.